We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. And I would really love it if you consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. Everything will be listed down there below. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the December Glossybox, and I am so excited because the last unboxing I did on the advent calendar, I absolutely loved everything, so I can't wait to see what's inside the December box. I know there are 6 products worth up to $80. So the Glossybox retails for $21 a month, or you can pay up front for the whole 12 months for only $18 a month. It is free shipping. You do get really good products, and I am dying to see what's inside. So I also have a coupon code. I'll link it down there below if you guys want to use it on your first box. But let's go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at it. It says best time of the year. Love their boxes. That's one thing I just absolutely adore about Glossybox is their packaging. Look how pretty this is. You can even like keep this to like store your items or use it as a box for like gifts. Definitely love that. And there is some little coupons in here with like coupon codes and stuff, so that is also great. Love this packaging, so cute. All right, so inside, this is the inside of the box, and you guys, for me, packaging is everything, so definitely love that about Glossybox. So the first thing I see here is this. It is called the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream from Youth to the People. This here retails for $18 for the deluxe mini, which is this one, or the full size for $58. So this one here is from the brand Youth to the People. It's an adaptogen deep moisture cream. It says that it's formulated for dry, reactive, and sensitive skin for long-lasting hydration without clogging the pores. So I am definitely going to use this. I do have very dry skin, and I'm excited to try this brand. I've never tried it before. So next up is this here from Christopher Robbins. It is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt for the scalp. This is a deluxe mini and it retails for $8.48, or you can get the full size for $53, and I'm so excited with this one, you guys. It says that it restores the balance of the scalp with its iconic scrub, suitable for every hair type and texture. It's amazing for cleansing, removing buildup, flakiness, and soothing sensitivity. I am so excited. I'm definitely gonna try this out. So next up is this here from K Glow. It retails for $6, and it's a smoothing coconut biocellular eye mask. It says it's supposed to nourish and plump the skin. So that is exciting. I always love using eye masks, especially for like my dry under eyes. So I'm pretty excited to try that out. Next thing in here is a, ooh, this looks nice. It's a CBD lavender foot mask. Refreshing and relaxing. It's a broad spectrum hemp formula with 50 milligrams of CBD. You guys, I am so excited to try this out. So this one here is the full size. It retails for $9.99, and you guys, this is perfect for like a stocking stuffer for yourself if you work like long shifts. So I'm very excited with this one. And there is one more thing in this box. It is, looks like a lip product. It's this one right here. Oh, and it's from the brand Nude Stick. It retails for $26. It's a gel color lip and cheek balm. Let's try that out. Ooh, this is a beautiful color. So that was everything that I got for my December Glossybox. I'll link the exact link where you guys can subscribe to it down there below, as well as in my blog. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!
Christmas.